Awesome.
Yeah, put the air on. It smells like a dirty sock. What is that?
It smelled like a fart wrapped in a dirty sock.
That's a stink bomb. That's a smoke bomb.
That's true.
After the smoke cleared, we still had to figure out how to make it look like there was fire burning on the inside of the tank and on the outside. Redneck rigged up a pretty ingenious system from the interior that fan-blowing sheer flame fabric and light effects. Then we had custom flames built for the outside of the tank. After we extinguished the idea of real fire and thought realistically about what the young minds of FDR had, we built a 5-foot-tall flame facade, fake flame shaped in the interior of the tank, and
There we go. Keep it on the stand. Bring it to me, guys. I'm flush. Get over here.
it's always hard work installing a tank. But putting fish in their new home, that's our favorite part. Beautiful red peacock parrot. You're gonna love that color for the doubles.
Let's get the flames.
Beautiful. Perfect. Look at that. Love it. Pretty.
Oh my gosh.
And the student body, they were amazed.
So is it what you expected?
So much bigger and better and
That's perfect.
got your fire.
I know all about fire. It's great. Who else can say that they have a fish tank with flames on the inside?
Ah, just like Kate. Coming up on this special Work Hard, Play Hard episode, a unique wish list.
I want lions, tigers, and bears.
And one of Wade's crazy adventures that hasn't been seen. Seriously, this is the last place you need to be.
America's talking about our best pizza yet, the all-new hand toss. Well, we hear you, America. And to return the love, we're bringing back our 10 any pizza deal. For a limited time, that's any pizza, any crust, any toppings, even specialties for $10. Pizza Hut. Make it great.
Inside every Ricola drop, there's a magic herb blend. The Swiss call it Kruidtegrouw. But what does it do? Kruidtegrouw, effective against coughs and sore throats.
Keeping up with these two is more than a full-time job. I don't have time for unreliable companies. Angie's List definitely saves me time and money.
For over 18 years, we've helped people take care of the things that matter most. Chewy today.
Great on strawberries, apples, bananas, rice cakes, raspberries, toast. Jif hazelnut spread makes anything your new favorite thing. Spoons. Which is why this choosy mom chooses Jif.
Use Chase Freedom at gas stations this quarter and get 5% cash back. So you can keep rolling in style. Activate your 5% cash back at chase.com/freedom. Chase, so you can.
We're putting our faith into you on the minor shack.
I won't fail you. We gotta crack the whip on those guys.
John needs to calm down, or we're going to have to calm him down.
Ice Cold Gold. New episode. Thursday night at 10. Only on Animal Planet.
March Madness returns to captivate the sporting world. Witness 68 teams in spirited contests of will and pride. Countless moments of the extraordinary and the abiding excitement of March Madness. Every game, every round, 4 networks. NCAA March Madness 2014, coming March 18th.
Brought to you by Burger King, where taste is king.
Spring is right around the corner, and Namco has solstice pools start at just $7.99. Save up to $2,900 and get 35% off 2014 Allure pools that come with a free standard pool package. Savings of over $2,700. Reduced minimum purchase amount on our finance plan for patio. You can finance a 5-piece Callaway dining set price at just $549 for 24 months. Hurry in for spring savings
back because things are about to get ugly.
And all new season, Welcome to Sweetie Pies. Premiere Saturday, March 15th, 9/8 Central.
I'm a big fan of Lindsay Lohan.
She got trouble with the drug.
I know her mainly from the publicity she gets from the media.
I think she likes it to a certain extent. She appears to be quite lost.
This isn't your mama's Alaska.
This is Wild West Alaska.